Hello, welcome to More Sound. Today we are reviewing the Electrohome Projection AM FM alarm clock radio. Model number EAAC601. Made in 2016. As you can see, it displays the time and temperature and the date. As you can, if you look up here, it's not going to show very well. We can project the temperature and time, so the projector works. And then we're going to try out the radio. Speakers over here. And then as soon as you plug in the aux cable, automatically switch. Should automatically switch. Should automatically switch to that too. It's not. Unlike most devices, you don't switch using the button. Which means this is kind of weird that you cannot do that. It also has dual alarm clocks. I'm not going to demo this because I'm kind of running out of time. That will be the end of the review and demo of the Electrohome Projection Alarm Clock Radio AM FM model EAAC601. Thank you for watching, and thank you for shopping at More Sound. I hope you will continue to shop at More Sound for years to come. And subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.